What if your security team could see anything, anywhere, anytime, with a single click? What if you could be faster, more responsive, get more complete and accurate information? The first autonomous drone to be granted approval in Europe. SKEYETECH is the new technological ally of your security and safety teams. Operational 24/7 and fully autonomous. SKEYETECH increases your visual capacities tenfold. Intrusions, dysfunctions, accidents. Our intelligent drone helps you to better manage all these risks. SKEYETECH integrates into your security network and automatically takes off in case of an alert to quickly confirm the threat. It replaces your teams in their tedious or dangerous patrols, whether for surveillance or inspection. It also offers aerial support in the event of crisis management. With SKEYETECH, you will be equipped with a high-definition mobile aerial camera, allowing you to monitor every nook and cranny on your site better than you would have imagined possible. Using a drone has never been easier. Easy to install, SKEYETECH can be controlled from any control room, whether it is located on-site or remotely. With SKEYETECH, optimize your surveillance missions and make your safety and security system more profitable while securing your team's work. Together, let's raise the protection of your site to new heights.